Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be celebrating 14 August as it is the Independence Day of Pakistan. Here is some of the artwork that the kids did as school project for 14 August. These are quotes said by Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who is the founder of Pakistan. Buildings throughout Pakistan are decorated with green and white fairy lights. Here you can see, to show the spirit of patriotism, everyone has decorated the buildings. During 14 August, people usually wear green and white and they decorate their houses, cars with flags or color of the flag. This is the Askari Bank building and it is always fully decorated and it looks absolutely gorgeous. Right beside the Askari Bank, there is the PIA building, which stands for Pakistan International Airlines. On the day of the 14th August, people usually play Mili Nagma loud on the speakers, and they also do face paintings. In the center bazaar, people are usually playing music and they're enjoying themselves to the fullest. As there was too much traffic and there was a big crowd, we couldn't capture many of the places. This is the railway station Rawalpindi, and look how beautifully it is decorated. चांद को और भी रिफ़त की तमन्ना थी, चांद को और भी रिफ़त की तमन्ना थी, इसलिए तो मेरे परचम में उतर आया है. We celebrate 14 August because this is the day we got independence and the subcontinent finally split into two, so Muslims can live peacefully in Pakistan while Hindus can live peacefully in India. 14 August is a common date like other dates of the English calendar for many nations, but for Pakistani nation, this date is the most remarkable day in the history. Pakistan came into being on 14 August according to the English calendar, while according to the Islamic calendar, it was 27th of Ramadan when Allah blessed Muslim with this spacious homeland. The word Pakistan is made by combination of two words, Pak and Stan. Pak means spacious and Stan means homeland. Therefore, the meaning of Pakistan is the homeland of spacious people. Pakistan is where it is now due to the countless sacrifices of our ancestors for the sake of an independent homeland where all Muslims can live freely. खुदा करे मेरे अर्ज़े पाक पे उतरे, वो फसले गुल जिसे अंदेशा ज़वाल ना हो. यहाँ जो फूल खिले वो खिला रहे सदियों, यहाँ ख़िज़ां को भी गुज़रने की मजाल ना हो. Lastly, I would like to say Happy Independence Day to everyone. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you next time.